Hello everyone, this is Alom from NetLab. Welcome back to my exam preparation series. In this video, we will solve from the RHCE exam preparation task. In this task, the first question, install and configuration Ansible on the control node or ansible-server. Here is the first task. Let's understand the requirement first. We need to install the required package. Create a static inventory file. The user must DevOps, and here is the password. Define host group properly, and config ansible.cfg with correct path. So now let's move to the lab step by step. First, install the required package. Here is the user DevOps. So command like dnf install ansible core, use sudo here is the completed. It's a pre-installed in my machine. So here is the command, and install another package. Install dnf install python 3 hit enter, use sudo first. We'll configure the VM for better UML editing. This is a very important in the exam environment because indentation mistake can be break playbooks. So first edit vim file. Vim RC set et set AI and last line ts equal to, and try another time. Here is the indentation line, and it's worked properly. Now I create the my collection directory. So mkdir, use sudo mkdir and give this path here. Okay, and another directory, name roles directory, and also this path. Okay, now create an inventory, a static inventory. So this is the inventory file, vim inventory. Here is the inventory groups. Dev Here is the day one node 1. So node 1 lab dot and test on node 2. Now node 3 prod and now prod on node 3 and balancer is node 4. So prod mprod.com and last this is the balancer. Copy paste also work. Node 4 example.com and last web server on prod. So this is web server. This is web server. This is the secondary group, so use children of prod servers. Okay, now save. Now create the ansible-server file. Him ansible actually cd ansible. Here is the whole file directory, sorry, and here created ansible well.cfg file cfg and use sudo. First defaults and given path of inventory. This is the inventory path. Remote user DevOps pass false FLSE false, and now give the roles directory location, roles path, and here is the roles directory location, and now collection location, collection paths, this is the collection path. Now another section, privilege escalation. Become true, yes, become method sudo become user root, and last become pass FALC files. So that's it for configuration file, and save. Now check Ansible version. Here is the version. So this is the configuration file location, and it's work fine. Now I'm try to ping the inventory, create the static inventory for node from Ansible. Edit vim.bash rc file and write one line, export ncble config. Now give this directory link, home DevOps Ansible ncble.cfg, export Ansible config and the ansible.cfg file link. Now source this file RHCE. Okay, now another time ansible version, and here is the file. No, here is the one file, and here is this. Oh, actually spelling mistake here. So nc config. Now try another time to this version, and here is the correct location of the config file of the Ansible. So now I ping the whole machine. Here is the pinging all the nodes, and another warning. So let's check, and this receive the file, and this range may be what. Now check again. Here is the no warning sign, and it's working fine. In this video, we successfully installed Ansible, create a inventory group, and configured ansible.cfg and verified all the connectivity. In the next video, we'll continue the next RHCE exam tasks step by step. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video.